On Wednesday, the Delhi High Court refused to consider the petition of former IAS trainee Pooja Khedkar. She had challenged the UPSC's order which cancelled her candidacy and permanently barred her from all future exams and selection processes. Justice Jyoti Singh's bench dismissed Khedkar's petition, stating it was filed prematurely and any court order at this stage would be beyond jurisdiction. The bench directed Khedkar to approach the Central Administrative Tribunal, the appropriate forum for her case. During the hearing, Khedkar's senior counsel Indira Jaisingh argued that the UPSC cancelled her client's candidacy without notice and barred her from future exams without hearing her side. UPSC's senior advocate Naresh Kaushik contended that the press release was issued because the commission did not have Khedkar's correct address but would notify her at her last known address and email. Accepting UPSC's argument, the High Court disposed of the petition. The Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi has issued a notice to the CBI while hearing the bail plea of 4 co-owners of Rouse IAS study circle following the drowning deaths of 3 students in the Old Rajendra Nagar area. Judge Anju Bajaj Chandana directed the CBI to file a response and schedule the next hearing for August 9. During the hearing, the CBI's lawyer informed the court that an FIR has yet to be registered, but the process is ongoing. The Delhi High Court had assigned the case to the CBI on August 2. Previously, the Tis Hazari Sessions Court had dismissed the bail pleas of the 4 co-owners, Tajinder Singh, Parvinder Singh, Harvinder Singh and Sarabjit Singh, instructing them to file their pleas with the CBI court instead. Another accused in the case, Manu Kathuria, had already been granted bail by the Tis Hazari Sessions Court. The Supreme Court has directed the removal of remarks critical of it from an order issued by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. A constitution bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud expressed dismay at the High Court's comments, calling them unnecessary and demeaning to both the Supreme Court and the High Court's dignity. The remarks were made by Justice Rajbir Sherawat on July 17, criticizing the Supreme Court for halting contempt proceedings initiated by the High Court. The Constitution Bench, including Justices Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gavai, Suryakant and Rishikesh Roy, took suo motu cognizance of the issue and decided not to pursue further action. Chief Justice Chandrachud emphasized that judges should exercise caution when commenting on orders from high courts, particularly in the era of live-streamed hearings. The bench underscored that neither the Supreme Court nor the High Court is supreme, but rather the Constitution of the India holds the highest authority. The High Court's remarks were termed a matter of grave concern. The Delhi High Court has reprimanded the Delhi government for the deaths of 14 residents at Ashna Kiran Shelter Home and directed the Social Welfare Secretary to submit a fresh status report by August 12. The court noted the Secretary's assurance that he is personally monitoring the situation. The High Court instructed the Social Welfare Secretary to seek financial assistance from the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi to address staff shortages by hiring contractual employees. In July, 14 residents, including a teenager, 8 women, and 5 men died at Rohini's Baba Ambedkar Hospital. Asha Kiran Home houses approximately 980 mentally ill individuals, and 25 deaths have occurred since February. The court emphasized that such a high number of deaths cannot be coincidental and requires thorough investigation. The government was urged to take all necessary steps to ensure the health and safety of shelter home residents. Additionally, the Delhi Jal Board was ordered to test the water at Asha Kiran as several deceased women suffered from tuberculosis. The Supreme Court will begin hearing review petition on August 28, challenging its 2022 decision in the Vijay Mandalal Chaudhary case, which upheld the validity of several provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act related to the case search, seizure and bail. The main review petition was filed by Congress MP Karti Chidambaram. This will be the first hearing on these review petitions since the notice was issued on August 25, 2022. Senior advocates Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi will represent the petitioners. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the Enforcement Directorate, noted the sudden listing of the review, stating that the need for consideration. The bench, comprising Justices Suryakant, C.T. Ravi Kumar and Ujjwal Bhuiya, requested a compilation of arguments from the concerned parties and scheduled the hearing to commence at 11 a.m. on August 28.